What is badminton? Badminton is played with lightning rackets and a shuttlecock. Evidence suggests people have been playing with a shuttlecock and a flat bat for over 2,000 years, places like Greece, China, and India. However, the modern version is said to have been invented in 1873 in England by the Duke of Beaufort, who brought the game back from India. In 1934, the IPF, now Badminton World Federation or BWF, was established. Historically, the shuttlecock, also known as a bird or birdie, was a small cork hemisphere with 16 loose feathers attached and weighing about 0.17 ounces or 5 grams. These types of shuttles may be still used in modern play, but shuttles made from synthetic materials are also allowed by the Badminton World Federation. The first badminton rackets were made of a single piece of wood and animal's guts as a string. A piece of clothing was often wrapped around the handle to make it more comfortable. Later, players began using tighter rackets of aluminum or steel until carbon fiber revolutionized the way rackets were built in the 1950s. The graphite composite rackets of today are light and allow control and power, while the strings are made of a variety of hybrid nylon. The modern version of badminton with specific rules and equipment wasn't formalized until the 19th century. British officers in India adopted a local game called Una and named it after their playing spot, Badminton House. The main component of badminton is breathtaking rallies and lightning-fast reflexes. Players use lightning rockets to battle back and forth with a feathered projectile called a shuttlecock in one-on-one or two-person matches. The objective: outwit your opponent by preventing them from returning the shuttlecock or by deceiving them into making a mistake. The game is played quickly on a court that is divided by a net.